All right, now find the length of the resultant. Now we have two questions here and they are different. I mean, the drawings are different, but they are really different because for number 14, the resultant is very easy because the vectors are already connected in a head to tail fashion. So all you need to do is to join them together and find out the x, okay? Oh, no, not x. I mean, yeah. I mean, find out the, this is the vector r. And you can go ahead, find out the vector r magnitude by using the law of cosines, okay? But for number 13, okay, the resultant is not to join these two vectors together, but instead, you will need to move one of these two vectors together, one of these two vectors, okay? And now here's a challenging thing, and that is, what is this angle? How many? $28 or 38? 38, yes. And the reason it's 38 is because, well, this is a parallelogram and the adjacent angles in the parallelogram, they're always supplementary. They're up to 180 degrees. And then your resultant is this. That's your resultant, okay? And that's how you're going to use your law of cosines to find out. So, so what I would do to find out my magnitude of resultant here is that I would do square root of x squared plus 5 squared minus 2 times 8 times 5 cosine of 38 degrees. So make sure you draw. And again, whenever you think about resultant, ask yourself a question. Are the vectors connected from head to tail? Yes? Great. If it's not, make it happen. Okay? So you can go ahead and find out what that is. Okay? So 8 square plus 5 square minus 2 times 8 times 5 cosine of, oops, sorry, times cosine of 38 degrees, and then all raised to the 1/2 power, which is the square root. That will be 5.095. So I can tell that it's 5.095. That is the magnitude for the for number 13. And for number 14, it's very straightforward. It's already connected from head to tail. So you have 12 squared plus 7 squared minus 2 times 12 times 7, and then cosine of 56 degrees. Okay. All right. So 12 squared plus 7 squared minus 2 times 12 times 7 times cosine of 56 degrees. And then all raised to the 1/2 power. And that's 9.953. 9.953 units. Okay. So you still need to know your law of cosine from early on.